Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Hyundai i30 active hatch, stock reference number 4574. This shape runs from the third month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand daytime running light with surround. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, power fold indicator type. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage with camera. Right tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, power fold indicator type. Right guard, no damage. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold mirror type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.